see what we can find. All right, everybody, here we are. Shout out to street art real quick. Y'all can see this one. Shout out to this guy. This one's really nice over here as well. Open air. This is nice, y'all. Don't let this happen to you, all right? I thought he was real for a minute. I was about to say excuse me, but there you go. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Every country needs one of these. I just like the colors of the buildings. You got the old and you got the new. Different split areas that you can go to. Mystery people, we done made it. We're in Chinatown, Singapore. Let's do it.
Get excited, everybody. We are back. Singapore part 2. What we are doing today is we are going to Chinatown. I know y'all can see all around. We are in Chinatown. Chinatown of Singapore is probably one of the nicest Chinatowns I've ever been to in my life. We're gonna look at a lot of street art. We're gonna look at culture. We're gonna attempt to talk to people, and we'll see what we can do. So I hope everybody can enjoy y'all. Mystery Man Chinatown. Get excited.
Yeah, these buildings are nice. All right, so let's check this out over here first. A few hotels around town. I like all the colors. Colors are really nice. This one's pretty famous. It's called the Bliss. Let's see what we can find. All right, everybody, here we are. Chinatown, Singapore. Lots of options, food options, living options, all that good stuff. Pretty fancy places around here. I like the theme for everything. Now, obviously, there's a lot of little back alleys everywhere. Shout out to Bumblebee. Y'all can see Bumblebee in there. Zoom out on Bumblebee. There you go. So it's a little bit early in the morning, so a lot of restaurants are obviously closed, but this is the best time to come out here because at lunchtime, it'd be ridiculous, and I wouldn't even be able to walk down here. Shout out to street art real quick. Y'all can see this one, and there's actually a restaurant that goes up here too. That's pretty cool. A lot of little hidden corners.
Speaking of hidden corners, y'all, we got the mystery phrase. Pop that up on the screen, everybody. 2 words, 13 letters. 2 words, 13 letters. Letters will come up through the video. Solve it at the end, y'all. Mystery Man.
That's pretty cool. Pass this way. Oh, we got a little market here. Let's check it out. Obviously, people are living upstairs in these buildings as well. Has a really look around here. Lots of back alleys everywhere, and it goes downstairs too. So open air markets. Yeah, you're smelling the food that people are cooking up already. So, and this is actually the subway station here, just right down there, and you get off here in Chinatown. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, this is nice, y'all. So just kind of take a walk with me. Get your fresh coconut if you want, and we'll just have a look. Shout out to this guy. Pretty happy. Everywhere you look, there's different restaurants and places that you can have a little snack, you know, the things you can buy, knickknacks and all that good stuff.
All right, y'all, fun facts about Singapore Chinatown. First fun fact, they have something called the Hawker Center. So Chinatown's home to some of Singapore's most famous hawker centers, quote unquote, like Chinatown Complex Food Center and Maxwell Food Center. What a hawker center is basically places where people can sell food and different items like that, mostly like an open air market.
And here you get you a tailored suit. I can only imagine
baby.
how much that costs over here. But all right, I think we got some street art. Let's go check out some of the street art down here. Here's some of these back alleys. A lot of back alleys everywhere. Check this one out, y'all. You know we can't go nowhere without seeing the street art. So this one's really nice over here as well. I like this one. Shout out to street art. And you know I'm gonna make y'all famous, man. Y'all know these people, man. I'm gonna make you famous now. Keep rolling. Singapore street art, man. This is really nice. I didn't expect to see too much of it because a lot of things are highly illegal over here. But we go around here, we see a few ducks in the back alley. These ones look like they're smiling. Check that out. Smiling ducks. All right, this is a trigger warning for all those vegans watching my channel. A little bit of fish. Open air. This is nice, y'all. You don't see stuff like this. This is like really, this is realistic street art here. And then you look out here and you just got, it's just a random back alley. But yeah, look at this, man. She's getting her hair done. This one's getting her ears checked. And then you have all this other stuff as well. It's basically telling a story. So it's all good. Check that out, y'all. You do not see that every day. It's all about family, right? That's what we do here, Mystery Man. And just when you feel like taking a seat, I know I do right now. It's a lot of walking. And I just had to pop this on in here because this is probably one of the funniest signs I've seen in my life, y'all. So don't let this happen to you, all right? So hold on the handrail because you don't want that to happen. All right, y'all, so Chinatown, Singapore. Let's take a walk down and see this different side of the world here. A few tourists around. It looks like a nice place to take pictures. Shops everywhere for those that like to buy junk. I thought he was real for a minute. I was about to say excuse me, but there you go. Looks like a lot of these streets are blocked off as well, so y'all can just kind of see the main road. Cars are driving when you're trying to shop. That's pretty cool.
Hope everybody's enjoying the video. I'm going to tell y'all a few more fun facts about Singapore Chinatown. Now, they have something called the Chinatown Heritage Center. It's a museum, shows a look into the history and living conditions of early Chinese immigrants in Singapore.
Shops everywhere to buy stuff. This is probably one of the better Chinatowns I've been to around the world. Look out for a San Francisco video coming sooner or later. They have a pretty good one over there. But yeah, the architecture around is just really good everywhere. Nice street as well. So these streets are usually packed at nighttime when they have the markets and all that kind of stuff. We're just gonna check out some of this architecture here.
Baby.
Look at that. It's enclosed on that side. Have a look down here. Actually, you know what? I'm about to get me an orange juice. I'm gonna show y'all, man. Every country needs one of these. Every country needs an orange juice machine. I'll show you how to use it. Stay tuned. All right, y'all. Remember I said I'm gonna show you how to use it. First, you take $2 Singapore dollars, pop it in the machine. Once you pop it in the machine, it starts juicing for you. Now we're gonna speed this up so y'all don't have to sit through it. All right, looks like our orange juice is ready. So let's reach our hand in there, grab our freshly squeezed orange juice, everybody. Look at that. Get excited. We're gonna get a straw. There we go. And now you have freshly squeezed orange juice and a straw. So it does look a bit chaotic here, but that's okay. Have a look down here. We're just gonna check out some of these statues down Chinatown of Singapore. Now again, the reason why I came out here at this time in the morning is because at night you can't even walk. That's how crazy it is. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, all right. So remember some of these street art that we saw before, real detailed street art. This is really nice as well, everybody. So check that out. You don't get that every day. It seems like a pretty big tourist destination, this place over here. Lots of people like to take pictures and stuff when you come around because this street art is something else. And there's also some more in these little corners. You got people living up here in the back alleys over here. There's a lot going on as well. So let's check out some of these ones here. Everybody, got a little bit of fish. This one's really nice. Yeah, family doing their thing, and yeah, they put some real detail into this. So shout the street art, y'all. Photorealistic. So obviously these buildings are really old. I'm looking here. There's a lot of good food around. And y'all know tonight, man, tonight or this afternoon or sometime, I gotta try that Singapore chili crab. That's a really nice part of a restaurant right there. I just like the colors of the buildings. You got the old and you got the new. Similar to some of my other videos, y'all. When you see some old places, you have the new buildings and then you have the old buildings. So let's actually check this out over here on this side. Just want to show y'all this one over here for this restaurant. So shout out to the samurai. We out here, right? Do what you do. All right, y'all, as we're having a look around, we're still looking at the buildings here, but I just want a special shout out to the pineapples out there, all the pineapples here in Chinatown and Singapore. So shout out to the pineapples, do what you do. All right, I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. Shout out to street art. You don't get this every day, y'all. Mystery man. Yeah, this is nice, y'all. We don't go down this street because this one looks pretty cool, actually. And then there's the orange juice machines everywhere. $2, you can't beat that, y'all. So $2 Singapore dollars is probably about $1.50 US. Can't beat that, but I just like the way the streets are looking. Everything's looking really nice. So we're checking that out. We got a little bit of this stuff going on too. So it's all good. Yeah, it's really going down over here. Club Street. All right, so I'm sure there's a few things going on, but I like the way that the streets are kind of sectioned off and there's different split areas that you can go to down the street. So significantly less busy over here, which is good, at least for our filming. We're gonna check out. We're actually gonna get a little bit of street art up here on this building, see what we can find. Just want to show y'all while we walk up here. So we're walking up the stairs. We got a little bit of street art here. That's pretty nice. We're gonna work our way up here. First person perspective, y'all mystery man, y'all know. Almost out of breath. We got a little bit more over here. And then as we continue to walk, we got some reindeer. Shout out to the reindeer. And this is just like a typical back alley here in Singapore. And this is what you see as well. So shout to back alleys in Chinatown. That's how we do it, y'all. So we're gonna start working our way down here, y'all, and see if there's anything else. So let's just kind of go through here. Looks like a bit of a tourist place because there's a lot of hostels, but we're actually gonna get a good look at that temple over there, y'all. So let's see what we can do. Work our way over. Actually, you know what? Let's just cross the street, y'all. We'll wait for these cars here and then we'll cross the street and have a look at the temple. check out the temples.
Get excited, get excited. I know you like this episode, y'all. Stay tuned. We got another part of the Chinatown series in Singapore. This time we're actually going to go inside the temple. So get excited about that. Stay tuned, y'all. Let's pop that mystery phrase up there. Pop it up on the screen, everybody. Hope you wrote it down. 2 words, 13 letters. The mystery phrase is hidden corners. One more time. The mystery phrase, everybody, is hidden corners. Get excited. Stay happy. Be thankful for what you got, y'all. Mystery Man. Man, where are you taking me today, man?